This is a testament of immense trust and confidence, and that your respective electorates had in your abilities and capabilities to represent them in this council. It is therefore both my duty and privilege at this time to constitute a team that I will work with in delivering the promises we have made to the people of this great city. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I take this singular honor to welcome you all to this first sitting, the first session of our council. I would like to congratulate you, Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members, upon emerging victorious in the recent local government council elections. This is a testament of immense trust and confidence, and that your respective electorates had in your abilities and capabilities to represent them in this council. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, in consultation with your table, I will make my speech to this council at a later time in recognition of the time that our magistrate has to leave this sitting and head out to Omoro to officiate the same function. With your permission, Mr. Speaker, I will go ahead to perform the secondary function on the order paper. I beg your indulgence.
The Chief Magistrates will wait for your nomination of the executives, swear them, and then leave.
Most obliged, Our Lordship. It is therefore both my duty and privilege at this time to constitute a team that I will work with in delivering the promises we have made to the people of this great city. Accordingly, and in exercise of the powers vested in me under Section 18 of the Local Government Act, Cap 138, which empowers the mayor to nominate the deputy mayor and secretaries from among the members of council, subject to approval of council, I now proceed to present the nominee for the deputy mayor. The deputy mayor deputizes the mayor. The deputy mayor performs the functions of the mayor whenever the mayor is absent and unable to perform his or her duties. The deputy mayor is a member of the executive committee. He's a member of the executive committee of council, which performs executive functions of the local government, assists in administration and coordination, perform various duties assigned, acts as mayor when necessary, and participates in policy implementation. Having stated a couple of the roles and responsibility of the deputy mayor, I therefore nominate the Honorable Ali Geoffrey Honorable Ali Geoffrey is a dedicated public servant who served as a council member at Gunya University up to this day. He contributed to institutional governance while simultaneously balancing key responsibilities in community and communication administration. Earlier, Ali was the deputy head teacher of Pabo Secondary School, where he managed school administration, student welfare, previously served as a long-standing classroom teacher at the mighty Gulu High School. Honorable Ali holds a Bachelor's of Education in Economics and Geography from Makerere University and a Diploma in Secondary Education focusing on Mathematics and Geography from Chambogo University. He completed his secondary education at Gulu High School and of course St. Joseph's College, Nairobi. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is my nominee.
Honorable members, I now have the honor to Honorable Konsi Atim Oyeki, Badege Laibi North.
Thank you, Speaker. I'm Atim Konsi Oyeki, representing the people of Badege Laibi North. I am up to second the nomination of Honorable Ali as the Deputy Mayor of Gulu City.
Thank you. The Honorable Bakene Daniel Boyka.
Mr. Speaker, sir, your table remain honor. I rise up to close the nomination to second my mate, Honorable Atim Konsi Oyeki. Thank you.
Yes, I can see the eagerness. Yeah. Here we are not closing nomination. It is the mayor who has nominated and your duty is to second. We can have first secondment and also second secondment. Yes. But I'm happy you have seconded. Is there any contrary view? No. Worship the mayor. Proceed.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker and distinguished honorable members. Honorable Speaker, in the same breath, allow me proceed with the nominations of secretaries from among this honorable council. These nominations have been made in interest of effective service delivery, inclusive leadership, and advancement of Gulu City. After careful thoughts and consideration, I nominate the Secretary for Administration, Finance, and Planning. This secretary shall oversee matters related to general administration, financial management, and planning functions of the council. He or she shall be responsible to the committee administration, finance, and planning. Mr. Speaker, sir, I take the singular honor to nominate the Honorable Angeo Christine Olok.
Honorable members,
If you would allow me, Honorable Speaker,
proceed.
to give a succinct CV of the Honorable Christine Olok.
Proceed.
The Honorable is a dedicated public servant, human rights activist, and community mobilization professional with extensive experience in local government, academic administration, and vocational training. She serves as a councillor representing the workers' fraternity of Gulu City from 2021 to date, where she functioned as the deputy mayor and head of government business. In this capacity, she assisted with administrative duties, executive performance, reporting, while additionally serving as the Secretary for Works and Technical Services to oversee engineering, physical planning, and environment. Christine established a diverse career in institutional management and academic administration. She is a director and lecturer at the Best Institute of Management, oversees institutional compliance and teaching business studies. Notably, she is a pioneer staff member of Gunya University. Honorable Christine holds a Bachelor's of Business Education, double major, secretarial options, and a diploma in secretarial and information management from Gunya University. She's earned certificates in psychological counseling from Caritas Counseling and Training Institute, community leadership from Watoto Schools, and office management. Our core strengths include team building, interpersonal communication, participatory support supervision, information technology, resource accounting, and passionate, dedicated to grassroots activism for disadvantaged children. Mr. Speaker, this is my nomination.
Thank you, the Honorable Mayor, for the wise words you've given and for the in-depth research on this particular Honorable Member. I now give chances to the Honorable Members, and Honorable Ake, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Honorable Evelyn Namwara, representing people for Badegela Ibi South. I stand here to second Honorable Angeyo Christine. Thank you.
Thank you. The Honorable Mayor nominated Honorable Christine Olok, and let me give Honorable Alaro Koma the microphone.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm Honorable Alaro Koma Caroline, representing the people of La Ropeche North. I am up to give a secondment to the proposal of the mayor for Ms. Christine Olok as the Secretary for Finance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, without any further ado, allow me proceed to the next nominee. The Secretary for Social and Community-Based Services. Ladies and gentlemen, this Secretary shall oversee matters related to social welfare and community development of our population. He or she shall be responsible to the Committee on Social and Community-Based Services. I now take this honor to nominate the Honorable Susan Achan. The Honorable Susan Achan comes to this council with 15 years of experience in local government. An avid mobilizer of youth, gender programming, served as woman councillor at Gulu City Council 2021-2026. She was the chair of the Finance Administration Planning and Trade Committee, previously chairing the Industry, Production and Marketing Committee. Susan served in various capacities as youth councillor during Gulu Municipal Council and also worked in different other capacities in the community. Mr. Speaker, for this particular docket, the Honorable Susan Achan is my nominee.
The Honorable Tracy.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'd like to congratulate Honorable Susan for her nomination as I rise to second the proposal made by our mayor. I'll submit. Thank you.
And definitely the Honorable Christine Olok.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. I honor your table. I'm up to give a secondment on the nominee, Honorable Susan Achan, as Secretary for Community Services.
I think we can stop there for the secondments. I now take the microphone back to the Honorable Mayor to proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As I conclude on this normal duty, I would like to nominate the Secretary for Works, Production, and Technical Services. This particular docket oversees matters related to infrastructural development, agricultural production, natural resource management. He or she will be responsible to the Committee on Works, Production, and Technical Services. Mr. Speaker, sir, the nominee in this docket is the Honorable Ojok Patrick Angela. Honorable Ojok Patrick is a development practitioner, disability rights advocate, public administrator with extensive experience in inclusive education, community development, livelihood empowerment, and governance. He has dedicated his career to promoting the rights and welfare of persons with disability through advocacy, leadership, and public service. He currently serves as the male councillor representing persons with disability and also doubles as a member of the University Council at Gunya University, contributing to policy development, governance, institutional oversight. He is also the volunteer program manager for Gulu Disabled Persons Union, where he supports organizational leadership, community outreach, and empowerment programs for persons with disability. Mr. Ojok has previously served on the Noya District Service Commission and worked with organizations including Pact World Uganda and the National Union of Disabled Persons of Uganda. He has also a background in progressive education leadership, having served as deputy head teacher at Nile Progressive Secondary School. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is my nominee.
Thank you. The Honorable Chan Susan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, your table remain honored. I am up to second the nomination made by His Worship the Mayor for Honorable Angela Patrick, representing persons with disability, for the position of the Secretary, Works and Technical Services. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there any other secondment, or we stop there?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The second seconder, I would like to second the nominee, Honorable Ojok Angela, representing disability. I second his nomination. Thank you.
Thank you. Now they will be sworn in, and I'm requesting His Worship, the Chief Magistrate, to proceed with the swearing in of the secretaries. And we will start with the Deputy Mayor.